Right, well, we're at the Hotel Bilbao. It does have 8 camping car spots. It does have electric. I was just checking that everything's locked up. And it's £10 per person per night. You can use the facilities in the hotel, which is just up there. You get free breakfast.
Free breakfast, but we have to be up early tomorrow.
Well, I've got some breakfast.
Between 8 and 9.
Bloody hell, we ain't been out of bed before 9:30 on most days. But yeah, you're a long way up, but you do have a commanding view of the city. The gates are secured at night, so your van's secure. And at the moment, there's space for 8, and I think there's 5 of us here. So yeah, we're going to go and see what Bilbao's got to go have. Because we tried to get to Guernica and we drove into the town and we went to the park up, and it just wasn't very big at all. I felt uncomfortable leaving the van there.
And we have a rule.
If one of us isn't very comfortable, then we press on.
No
So we
argument.
could have parked it sideways, but there's no way a 6.4 metre van was going to fit in any other way.
No.
So we came here, and as I say, that's a big looking city, very big.
You can see a spider.
And I think the sea's that way. Think so. behind us is the Cathedral of St James in Bilbao. This is St James who the Santiago it will be doing.
He's the patron saint of Spain, so there's quite a lot of Santiagos everywhere.
Okay. But it's in a beautiful, beautiful market square or church square. You've got beautiful buildings with the... This is the old town. I'll try and put you up like that. It's just absolutely stunning over this side. Beautiful. But you were going to go in.
I was, but when they stop you at the door and say it's €9 to go in, it just sort of...
Go in on a mass.
Well, I don't know what St Paul would have said about that.
You should have gone in and showed them your sticker.